If you are experiencing crashes with a specific game installed, then you can verify game's file integrity. Firstly, open Steam from the Start menu or desktop shortcut. Now, go to your library and right click on the games that's crashing. After that, select Properties from it. In the Properties window, click on Local Files in the left sidebar and you can see Verify Integrity of Game Files option available there and simply click on it. Once done, if the issue persists, then update Windows to the latest version. Keeping Windows up to date ensures compatibility with the latest games and drivers. Open the Start menu and select the Settings app and click on the Windows Update in the left sidebar. Then click Check for updates and if any updates are available, click Download and install. Then after that, click on Restart Now option available there. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe and thank you so much for watching.